Welcome to our overview of time management apps that actually work. In today's fast-paced world, managing your time effectively is crucial. Let's explore how these apps can boost your productivity. Many apps offer free versions that provide useful features. Here are some of the top free time management tools you can start using right now. First up is Todoist. This app offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to organize tasks efficiently. Its key features include projects, priorities, and reminders. Next is Trello, perfect for visual task management. It uses boards and cards for easy collaboration, making it ideal for teams and personal projects alike. Google Calendar is fantastic for organizing your schedule effectively. Sync across devices, set reminders, and share calendars with others. With Notion, you can create your personalized workspace for planning and tracking your tasks and notes seamlessly. Lastly, Clockify offers robust time tracking features. It helps you analyze how you spend your time, providing insights to improve your productivity. To make the most of these apps, remember to set clear goals, regularly update your tasks, and review your progress weekly. Real user experiences can guide your choices. Here's what users think about these apps and why they recommend them. Choosing the right app depends on your personal needs and workflow. Explore these options and find the perfect tool for your time management journey.